have a hard time crocheting? Do you have a hard time blending in the braid with the crochet to make it look more natural? Do you have an old closure or frontal at home? Do you want to make a wig? Well, if so, make sure you stay tuned to this video because I'm going to show you how to revamp that old toe-up wig to get your locks slayed, all right? And tell you about these locks and where I purchased them from. So if you want to see more, make sure you stay tuned to this video. So today I'm going to be doing a review and tutorial. This company, they are called SOKU Hair on AliExpress. They sent me, so they sent me 5 packs of this ombre, this ombre Locs hair. It was $28, and these are the locks. All right, guys. So this is in the color 1B and 30, and you can see the 30 at the ends. 5 packs comes in this big pack of hair. It also comes with your crochet tool, just in case if you don't have it. And then in the pack of hair, it comes doubled like this. So you have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 strands on each, so 20 strands come in each pack. They also gave me some lashes that came inside the pack. We'll go over shipping. I believe the shipping took like 5 days, so they was very quick on AliExpress. Great. So what I'm going to be doing is making a wig, of course. If you've watched a previous video of mine, you'll see where I made a crochet wig. So I'm going to be doing the same thing with this hair. So the wig that I'm going to be making is going to be made out of this. So this is a cornrow cap. I actually ordered a different cap that had a lace in it, and I'll put the link for that on Amazon. I think that one was $7, but I think this one is going to be much better because it comes braided. And what I plan on doing, I want you to see the wig first. So it just comes with your adjustable strap here, and then this is how it looks. So I'm going to crochet the locks all on here, which is easier because it's already braided. However, at the top here, I believe I am going to add like an old frontal that I have, and I'm just going to sew it down. I would like to have it look as natural as possible. All right, y'all, so I have an old wig here that's already busted, as you can see. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, you can see where the tracks are connected for the frontal. So I'm just going to actually separate this so I can cut the frontal. All right, guys, so I have my frontal here. So this is the back, and then this is the front. So I don't need all this hair on this frontal, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just cut it because I want it to be as short as possible for me to work with the hair. Remember, this is just gonna be an add-on piece for the lock. So this is the cap, this is how it looks. Remember, that's the back, this is the front. All right, so our frontal is going to have to go on top of the braid. Okay, so what you're going to need are pins to hold it in place so we can stick it, and you're also going to need a needle and thread so you can sew the frontal on. Okay. Alright guys, so the frontal is all sewn down. And now you can go ahead and take out the pins just to make sure that it is sewn down correctly. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And as you can see, the closure, okay, well the frontal is all okay here. So we're gonna be able to seamlessly put that on. All right, so the next step would be the portion of crocheting the wig. All right, so all you're gonna need for this is your crochet tool, because we're not gonna do the front yet. Okay, so we're gonna start from the bottom, and we're gonna make sure that we're not putting too much hair. We don't want to put a lot of hair because we want it to lay correctly. Okay, so we all know how to crochet, so I'll do a couple of these and then we'll go ahead and speed it up, and I'll come when, you know, I'm like in the middle of finishing, and then I'll come back towards the end. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm finished with the back portion. I had to use some of my new locks because I didn't want to run out of hair since it only came with 5 packs. Okay, so now we're going to get into the lace portion. I'm just going to leave out some hair for edges. And all of this hair, I'm just gonna cut really low. Again, all you're gonna do is just stick the tool through the lace twice, take the hair and pull it through, and then just crochet as usual. Stick it through, pull, connect, and it covers the spots. So we're done, so I'm gonna go ahead and want to install. I'm done with the wig. I added some baby hairs to the install. You can see still a little bit of the braiding, but like I said, I am going to dye that. It is a lot of hair. I have 1 pack of these locks left. So yeah, remember I did blend it in with I just used a couple of like new locks that I had, but I could have used all 5 packs of that hair, but it's a great price. I'll link the seller's information below. It's a lot of hair, but it's light. So I can say that it's not heavy, it's very light. And yeah, it's a big bun, and I only like this hair for buns. I love wearing it into a bun, and I love the color. Like I said, it is a 1B30, so you can see the 30 at the ends, and it's not too crazy. So yeah, I hope this guys were great for those who are looking for a way to make the wig without having to go through the trouble of inserting the plait through the crochet, because that absolutely never works for me. Make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this video was helpful, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Alright guys, so what I did was, since I do have like that burgundy thing going on, I went ahead and added some of my in all beauty hair color, and this is just the hair paint wax that's washable. So I took some of that and added it to some of the ends of the hair, because I didn't feel like going through to dye the color. So yeah, this is how it looks. So yeah, let me know what you think. Also guys, one winner will be chosen from the comment section at the bottom. So at the bottom, let me know if you would like to win this hair, and the company will send out 5 packs of these locks to your address. So make sure you comment "I would like to win" in the comment section below. Share with your friends, your family, and let them know it's a giveaway.